step by step, guys, to get a marriage advisory. Click that one, and then you just search the appointment.com, and then as you can see that it's easy. And the next one, that one, you can choose that one. And the next steps, if you are NCR or other provinces, you can click, and as you can see the map, it's easy. And you can choose the south. So naggawa ko ng schedule ko for the next day, and then here, and after that meron akong QR code, so it's very fast. And nandito na. So guys, very fast talaga. Pwede ka kumuha. So kumuha ako ng PSA birth certificate kasi national birth certificate yung nakaon natin. And then marriage advisory for my visa, spouse visa. So that's all, guys. It's easy to make an appointment kasi then tinanong ko yung dito sa Bataan banker, and then sabi nila within 2 or 3 weeks makukuha yung birth certificate, marriage advisory. So pag pupunta ka ng NCR main office, just 1 day lang siya. Kasi bakit 1 day? Kasi mag-travel ka pa eh. So almost 1 day. Pero pag nandun ka na sa Manila, within lang siya, 2 to 3 hours. Pinakamataas 4 hours. Depende. So mabilis talaga sila. So ayan, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sana nakuha nyo. Ayan, bye. See you in my next video.